So for me, the session was just very captivating, very moving, filled with very important concepts that could be complex to understand on your own, but you just boiled it down to what really, in a way that is easily digestible for everybody. Your guided meditation session was amazing.
So I attended Akarsh's Mind Mastery program. Initially, I had a very anxious mind. I used to always think about my past and the future. I used to forget the present. So this practice has actually helped me to learn and live in the present. I've become more grateful to all things around me. I've learned to surrender things. There's so much of beauty and peace in surrendering things and letting go of certain things.
Akarsh is a great listener, a great meditation coach, a life coach, full of great advice. The meditation sessions really changed my perspective and made me more spiritual, and it has helped me greatly with my depression, and I highly recommend it to anybody.
I had a lot more concentration, clear focus, clear thoughts. I can totally say a different me right now.
So I'm very grateful. I not only found answers to my questions, he also helped me to change my perspective towards life. He never gave me half information. He was very clear about things.